Hi, I'm Nikhil and welcome to a new video from Technary.com. We have an interesting news for you. Boult Audio has launched a new device in its TWS offering. Boult Audio AirBass XPods have been launched, which are the latest TWS earbuds from Boult Audio. Let us have a look at the features of this device. These are having unique design and are said to be delivering deep bass and performance. It comes with long battery life of 20 hours. These are having premium looks and have smooth finish. There is dual tone matte and glossy combo exterior. The earbud is having unique oval shape offering snug fit and is said to provide extra comfort and additional noise isolation with superb audio performance. These earbuds come with 13mm best-in-class drivers which are said to provide deep bass and crisp highs. Users can enjoy music and movies without any loss of audio quality even in high volumes as mentioned by the brand. They have long stem and comes with highly sensitive and powerful microphones. There are also touch controls on the step to provide easy to use user experience. User can easily answer calls, reject call and also can adjust volume with ease. You can control the music tracks or can even use phone's voice assistant. These come with latest Bluetooth version 5.1 chip. There are no more lags or transmission losses, so user can enjoy uninterrupted music as mentioned by the brand. This device is having IPX5 body, it's water resistant and as well as dust resistant. The battery is set to last for 5 hours in single charge. The XPods carry case has built-in rechargeable battery which can charge the earpods thrice and provide total battery life of up to 20 hours. There is also USB Type-C charging port which is good for fast charging. These are available in white and black color variants. These are available for a launch price of INR 999 only. These come with 1 year of warranty. So at the price of 999, these XPods are at a great deal available. So if you want to purchase them, don't forget to check out the link in the description below. Kindly like this video and also subscribe to this channel and put the bell notifications on to get the latest updates from our site. Keep visiting our website which is technary.com. Thanks for watching. Have a great day ahead.